Imagine your perfect gym, with a personal trainer available at any time. What if this gym wasn't across town, but wherever you want it to be? Consider the possibility of bringing your gym along on your travels, ensuring your workout routine remains uninterrupted wherever you go. Let us introduce you to TripFit, the first travel-size gym. Train whenever, wherever. TripFit is a revolutionary travel-size gym weighing under 7 pounds. With its compact 12-inch by 18-inch design, it seamlessly fits into any carry-on luggage, making it the world's smallest gym. TripFit replaces 99% of gym machines, allowing you to maintain your fitness routine wherever you go. Strength training becomes possible anywhere, anytime. The all-in-one solution for every fit traveler. Exercise more often and consistently. Mimic your gym routine or follow a pre-built workout in the TripFit app. TripFit leaves you with no excuses to miss a workout again. It's suitable for any fitness level. You choose the intensity you want to lift. Adding bands, it's just like increasing weights on your machine. All items are multifunctional for a full body workout. The TripFit gym is crafted from carefully selected materials, ensuring durability and safety in use.
Our biggest advantage was that we were creating a product for ourselves. If we weren't going to use it and love it, then we weren't going to sell it.
Now, we need your help to bring this project to life and make fitness accessible from anywhere, at any time. Let's revolutionize the fitness industry and build a community of travelers with the same goal: to stay fit anywhere and maintain our routines on the go.